Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V15 is making a terrible noise, it could be due to a number of issues, such as a blockage or a failing motor. Ignoring this problem can lead to further damage and a more costly repair in the long run. It's important to address it as soon as possible. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement motor specifically designed for the Dyson V15. Begin by turning off your Dyson V15 and unplugging it from the mains. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the device. Be sure to keep track of these screws, as you'll need them later. Carefully lift the back cover off to expose the internal components. The noise you are hearing is likely coming from the motor, which is usually located near the base of the unit. To locate it, look for the cylindrical component that is attached to the main body. Once you've identified the motor, take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry off any clips or connectors holding it in place. When you're ready to remove the motor, be cautious, as there may be wires connected to it. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be important when installing the new motor. Disconnect the wires carefully, applying minimal force to avoid damaging them. Now, with the old motor removed, take your new motor and align it with the connectors. Reattach the wires exactly as they were, ensuring a snug fit. Once everything is connected, it's time to secure the motor back into place. Replace any clips or connectors you removed earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back cover back onto the unit and secure it with the screws you initially removed. Ensure that everything is tight and secure. Before using your Dyson V15 again, plug it in and turn it on to verify that the noise has been resolved. If the vacuum sounds smooth and operates as it should, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check for blockages in the vacuum's hose and filters, and ensure that you are using the device within its intended specifications. Regular maintenance can help extend the lifespan of your Dyson V15. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.